Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's Michael J down here on the riverbank here, Surrey House 2. Got my chickens in the yard today. Hanging out, they're getting big. Still not laying no eggs yet, but they're coming. It's coming soon. All this work's gonna pay off, I'm certain of it. Got a little grass cut here. I was kind of working close to home in Hampton, Virginia. I've been all over Tidewater today working. Ended up in Hampton, Newport News, by the Hampton Coliseum. And I was able to get back early enough to get a little grass cut. These crazy birds, man. Sure do like them, I know that. Well, guys, hey, listen, I'm just hollering back at y'all. Oh, I got choppers. I got choppers, man. Oh, get a lot of choppers out here. A lot of, I don't know what they're doing. They're training or something. The army's moving. Well, guys, hey, just a shout out to everybody. Said just taking a second to try to get another video out to you. It's my garden. They're going some kale and lettuce and onions, peas. But hey, much love out to everybody. And from the Tidewaters of Virginia, man, right here. Take care. And hope to see you soon. As you can see, the dryer broke this week, so we're back to the line. But it's all good. Take care, my friend. I'll see you soon.